got a room full of bad bitches, I got a room full of fat bitches. You feel me? Huh? Yup. Hey, I got one big room full of fat bitches.
Okay.
One big room full of fat bitches. One big room full of fat bitches. I got one big room full of fat bitches. I got a fat bitch. Her name is Cupcake. Shit, she 24 and overweight. She love a nigga, cause I feed her good. Got the motor running full hot under the hood. She got Debbie's head in her hot spot. Hopped in the car, yeah, the tires pop. Yeah, it's us two, look like a family in it. She been down to get her purse. Yeah, this might take a minute. Okay. I got a fat bitch, her name is Milkshake. I took the hoe to Denny's, she made the floor shake. I told her get a 9 and get a 10, and she started acting up, cause they was out of business. We get on the plane, she paid for 2 seats. One ass cheek for both seats.
Damn.
Hey,
I got one bitch.
Let's go.
Full of fat.
I got one big room full of fat bitches. I got one big room.
She like
full of fat bitches.
She like ice cream, chicken, crunchy, rice and crispy, crunchy.
Hey,
my fat bitch, yeah. Oh, she got the munchies.
slim fast, slim fast, slim fast.
Her fat ass.
Hey, swaggin'. Yeah, boy. We do this shit. This shit fun, man. Fuck that rapping shit, man. This shit is fun, bruh. We do this.
Bring my nigga Hayden too.
Fat bitches on deck.